this is Say Create the Heart, and I am back with a little bit of a different vibe. I'm doing kind of a unboxing of a, I don't know what you call it, a subscription box from Archer and Olive, and they do beautiful like notebooks and things like that. And I bought quite a few notebooks, and I really do want to have plans to do more journaling and other things and utilizing my supplies, but I've just been so busy and I haven't had a chance. But my mom had given me a pretty nice gift card for my birthday, and so I used it on some knitting supplies like yarn, but I also bought this, and I bought a few other crafty things, which I don't even know now what I bought with my card and what I bought without. But anyway, I'm going to get into this. And so, you know, I don't really buy too many of these. The last one I bought was their academic book, like academia, I don't know. They had a book one that it was more of a book theme, and I bought that because I always buy book things. But this one I loved because I do like bees, and this one has some really cute stuff, and I just could not help myself. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys are at all into, you know, notebooks and planning or journaling, there's quite a few companies that do beautiful products. But this is just, I could not help myself. It's just so beautiful. It's packaged so nicely. And I love the box, which I usually, you know, kind of get rid of my boxes. But these boxes, I don't know if I can get rid of because they're just so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead. They're all wrapped, so I've got to kind of, got like washi tape all over the place. So I'm going to try and open this stuff. This, I don't know, I had to have this one. This is so cute. So everything is packaged beautifully. So here is this one. I don't know if you can see. It's in a giant box. I'm opening this one first because it's the biggest one. And it's in this box. So I'm going to open it up so you can get a look and see. I don't even know how I'm going to use this. Probably bring it to work and use it that way, or I don't know, maybe it's too beautiful to use for work. But it's a clipboard, and you open it up, and it's got this notebook paper, and then it's got a pocket, which you can't see in this video, but a pocket, and it's got that clip in the front. And then there's a video, I think it's on their website, on how to make this refillable. So you cut that notebook off, and then you create a pocket, and then you can refill this, and so you know it's not a one-time only use item. So I love that. So I'm going to look into doing that. You know, all I need is time, right? So that is beautiful. So let's get into some of these other items. So it tells me what's in it. This is the card that tells me what's in it. It's the beekeeper one. But I love this image, so I'm going to save that to be able to use elsewhere. I guess we'll open this notebook. We'll open the notebooks. This notebook. Kind of do it by size, I guess. And so this is one of the things that really, well, the little portfolio that I just opened was one of the main things I just fell in love with. The second thing is this notebook. It has that, you know, Pooh Corner vibe. Look at how freaking beautiful it is. It's so gorgeous. Here's the spine. I just have so many notebooks. But it's got lavender paper. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So those are the two things that really sold me. But I loved it. So I'm going to do something with that. I have not decided exactly what, but it's just gorgeous. Okay, so then let's get into the other notebooks. You get two notebooks. That one is, I don't even know what size that one is, what they call this one. This one is an A5 notebook. I think this one's B6. Yeah, this is a B6. And a lot of times I will get rid of my packaging because I just don't have space, but this packaging is just so gorgeous that it's hard, and the box is so beautiful. So, I don't know, we gift these boxes. Aren't they beautiful? So, here is this one. My trash is overflowing. And this is the B6 notebook. And so it is, so that one was, this one's a lavender colored notebook with a B on it. So pretty. And then you open it up and it's a dot grid. And then it's just, it has a little bookmarky thing. It's gorgeous. So I just love this kit. So I had to get it. Some kits just speak to you, and this one was one of them. So we got that. And then, so in this box right here, they have a grid, black stamp pad, and then alphabet stamp. So there's that. And I'm going to close everything up. It's just like, what am I doing with all this stuff I don't have time to use, but there we go. And now we're on to some other fun things. So we have the card. So in here, oh, I love this. It is a pen pouch. So basically your pens fit in here, and then this is elastic and it goes around your notebook. So I love that. That is amazing. So this I actually am going to leave out because I would like to use it. So I'm just going to pull this out and I'm going to put that aside because I am going to actually use that because I love it. So then we have the sticker set. So we get 4 sheets of a matte sticker. So here they are that we can use to decorate our pages. So you get the stickers. And then these are their duographs. So chisel and fine liner, water-based ink. I forget what the duographs are. I know that the acrographs or whatever, the other ones are more like acrylic. So I don't really... Here are these pens. So they have dual tip, and I don't have any paper, which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. But they write beautifully. So this is really pretty purple. So we get these colors that kind of go with everything. And these also I'm going to leave out because I could use these right now. So before they, I don't know if they dry out or what, but I'll leave these ones out because I could use these right now. And then the washi. So in here is the washi, and I think this is just to keep it all in there. So this is the washi that we get. Really beautiful. So anyway, if you are into notebooks, you like them, there are a couple places that I do buy product from. Another one I buy is Oopsie Daisy. They have really, really amazing stencils. So I use those for my book notebook, which is totally out of date. I have not updated it since like April, and so I'm going to try to catch up with that. And I'm going to simplify my book notebook next year. It's going to be way simpler because I just can't keep up with what I was doing. I don't know what I was thinking. But I do at least got up to April, I think. I hope. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dan Crane at the Heart.